welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2001 Chevy Silverado pickup truck single cab. Now you may notice that even though we just recently did a video on the 1999 Chevy Silverado, which is almost identical to the one we have here, which even so, if you want to find that 2-for-1 deal, this will definitely be it. Can't say the same for the price, but I will say for the condition. The only one we have here, though, featuring a beautiful red exterior. As you can see, it is a step-side bed, which is definitely perfect to have, but even so, having the bed cover to ensure your products or anything you have in the bed will remain safe. Even so, if it's not having the bed liner or just the bed itself won't be damaged by sun, deterioration, or even so does rain and rust. But as for the wheels, you will see we have some later late 90s model American racing wheels with the black wall tires. Still, even so, just a beautiful single cab side bred truck, which as we do move on to the inside, you will see it is an automatic on the column with the tilt wheel. Of course, this one has the cloth style bench seat instead of the fine leather, but even so, it's a lot better because leather usually peels in that sunlight. Even so, just after a while, it really starts to rip and fade and pretty much causes you a whole lot of trouble. But even so, for the single cab bench seat, you also have the fold down seat here, but even so, clean and a lot of room. We have a full-on Harley-Davidson floor mat. Even so, we have the stock style Delco radio with built-in cassette, low and cold AC right now. Even so, what makes this truck different than a lot of the other ones that have come through Skyway Classics is the fact that it has the manual window cranks. A lot of times those motors will go bad eventually in these trucks, and you don't want to have to do all the work of ripping the door panel apart. All you gotta do is just simple crank up and down and she is good to go. But even so, another thing I like to say about these trucks is the fact that the dash is perfectly intact, no cracks, no tears. But even so, looking at the cluster, you will see we have 102,000 miles reading from the odometer. Even so, you can take a look at our little oil sticker right here, which has shown that the mileage doesn't need to be changed till, or the oil shouldn't have to be changed till 104,000 miles. But even so, very well taken care of truck, very well respected truck, and very good driver quality truck. Which does lead us to the engine bay featuring the 4.8 liter. Of course, a lot of times in these trucks they come with 5.3s, but the 4.8 is just as good. And of course, for driving purposes, you want something that's good efficiency on gas, also having enough room and also having enough power. But as we are cruising right now with the power steering, power brakes, all the fine functionalities you can get for the 01 Silverado, we will conclude the video with a brake test right before we get her off on the lift. But please make sure to check out our website, take a look at all of our cars. You're likely to find one that you'll love and take home. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us and see the underneath.